Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm bringing you two trash to treasure DIYs, and the first one, I had picked up these two mugs for $1.99, and it was $1.99 for both of them at our Value Village. They are slightly bigger than ones that you would find at Dollar Tree for $1.25. And I liked the fact that they were dark colored, kind of almost like ombre look on the inside. So I also want to mention that this video is part of a challenge that is hosted by Hillary over at the Old World Home, and Hillary has done these before, where the challenge is called $5 Goodwill Challenge, and we can go to any second-hand store, pick up something for $5 or less, and upcycle it or just use it and show it how we use it in our decor. So I have decided to upcycle these. So I had went ahead and printed out some images. I will have these images linked down in the description box for you to get free if you wish to. These are water slides, and I had cut them out. I have a full video tutorial on how to prep your water slides and how to get them ready. These are by Hippo, and you can get them on Amazon, and I actually have a 30% code if you want to get these. I will leave the link down below as well. So I had trimmed them. You don't have to trim them. I just wanted the lettering to be a little bit closer to the image. So that is why I had trimmed them. And once you have it trimmed, you place them in water and let them soak for about 30 seconds. I have actually set my timer on for 30 seconds so that way if you do too little, it's a little bit hard to slide them off. If you do too long, it's a little bit hard to slide them off. So that's why I set my timer. So once they were all done and soaked up, I took them out, shook off the excess water, and then I proceeded on sliding them on. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. My name is Sonja, and I like to share tons of different type of DIYs over here on my channel, whether it's from Dollar Tree, trash to treasure, or some furniture upcycles. I have it all. So if this is something that's up your alley, please consider subscribing and pressing the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my uploads. So you want this mug to be clean and dry before you start sliding off. I did take them all out because I did put them at the same time. You can also time it out so you don't have to, so while you're working on one, the other ones are soaking. I just felt that this was a little bit easier for me. So now is the fun part of sliding these on. This was fairly easy, like I said, and like I mentioned in my other videos, practice makes perfect, and I already feel this is my third time using these that I am getting a bit better at it. I love the way this ends up looking and the way it turned out, it's a really, really inexpensive way to add images to your mugs, especially if you do not have the Cricut machine and can cut the vinyl. You can also add these, bake these to make them permanent if you're going to be using them to drink your coffee. You just want to place them in the oven, cold oven, turn it on for at 300, leave them in there for about 20 minutes to half an hour, turn off the oven, let them cool in the oven, and then wait a couple days before you use them. And that's it. That's all it takes. I have created this so I will have the have it linked down below for if you want to give it a hand in trying out over on my blog, and I will leave the link in the description box. I did find that it was a little bit easier to smooth it out if my fingers were a touch wet. So now I repeat the exact same process on my other mug. I do need to go and get some rubbing alcohol just to remove that permanent marker that they wrote 2 on at the Value Village where I got these mugs. I don't understand why they do that because I could not get it cleaned, so I think I will have to use some rubbing alcohol or Goo Goo Gone to get it off. So here they both are. I just love the way this turned out, and I can't wait to have some coffees in them. Next, I'm going to be upcycling this picture frame, and this was $1. I have no idea where the price tag went, but it was missing a glass. So I decided to make it into a piece of fall decor, and this was so easy and inexpensive to make. I have picked up some of these calendars at Dollar Tree, and this one was the floral one, and it had a really nice fall sign page that I thought would look great as a sign. So I just measured it out by putting the backing of the frame on it and tracing it out. And then once I had it all nicely traced out, I cut it out. I have been loving using these calendars. I have a full video on a whole that was just dedicated to these calendars. I will have it linked in my playlist at the end if you want to check it out. It was I absolutely love the way those DIYs turned out as well. So once I cut this to size, I did use some Mod Podge. You could probably use school glue to glue this to the front of the backing of the frame. I mean, any glue would work, or you can even probably use hot glue if you wanted to. Once I was done gluing it, I put the frame backing on, and voila, that was it. Smoothed it out if it needed to smooth because it's Mod Podge, so it's not an instant hold. So it did move a little bit on me, but just moved it back in, and that's it. So simple. You could paint the frame if you want. I just left it as is because I just love the way this looked. Well, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out the playlist because this is a challenge. There will be a playlist in my description box for you to check out. I would like to thank Hillary for hosting this challenge. And if you're stopping by from her channel, welcome. Don't forget, or any other channel actually, and don't forget to press the subscribe button and a notification bell so you become part of my DIY YouTube community. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you all so much for watching.